Here's a quick tip that'll save you time and frustration. On your vehicles, somewhere on the core support right here on the front, like you see, this is my van here, I write down oil filter number and how many quarts of oil, and also what wrench, the size of the wrench to remove the drain plug. That way when I change the oil in my rigs, I'm not crawling underneath there and having the wrong tools, and it just is a quick reference and just saves time and makes things a little bit easier. Oh, it's always an inch too short.